Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Who is most likely to do weird things in public?
Me. I can be quite embarrassing.
Who is most likely to get afraid while watching horror films?
Me. I don't watch.
I hate watching horror films. मेरा चेहरा काफी है.
I watch it from a different perspective, so I don't get scared.
इतना human strength नहीं है.
Hello everyone, this is Dev Joshi.
Hi there, I'm Ada.
Hi, this is Aditi Saval
And you're watching India Forums.
सब्सक्राइब करें इंडिया फोरम्स हिंदी को और घंटी के निशान को दबाएं ताज़ा खबरों के लिए.
So the first one is, who is most likely to be dramatic?
We just discussed this. No one's as dramatic, but still.
Yeah, I'm quite a
Out of
drama
the
queen.
three.
Yes.
Who is most likely to cheat on their meals?
Cheat on their meals. Acha.
Hi.
Cheat on the meals, Baba, meals.
ये.
Okay.
हाँ. ये हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ खा के बोलती थी आज थोड़ी सी चीटिंग कर.
Every day.
Who is most likely to always be late?
कोई नहीं, सब
None
time
of
पे आते
us.
Who is most likely to cancel plans last minute?
None of
हैं.
us.
We won't even make plans. We won't
That's
make
true.
plans.
Okay. Who is most likely to do weird things in public?
Maybe Ada.
Me. I can be quite embarrassing.
Who is most likely to be moody?
Moody.
I am moody. She is moody. Both of us.
हाँ, but इतना नहीं हुआ. I'm
ये फिर भी
generally
ठीक है. मैं
balanced.
moody हूँ. मैं काफी moody.
Alright. Who is most likely to get afraid while watching horror films?
Me.
Me
I
too.
don't watch.
I
only.
hate watching horror films. मेरा चेहरा काफी है.
I watch it from a different perspective, so I don't get scared.
इतना human strength नहीं है.
Who is most likely to blow their money on an impulse buy?
Not me. I wouldn't.
No.
Ada only.
She keeps on correcting me all the time. What is wrong with you?
She, yeah, I
Yeah.
actually would. I'm the monitor.
Yeah, she's the monitor. इतना पैसा थोड़ी देता है इसका कोई. क्या कर रहे हो? मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ती है.
Who is
The
most
white one.
likely to sleep with their mouth open?
I don't know.
कभी देखा नहीं हमें सोते हुए. मैं
नहीं,
नहीं
मैं-
सोती.
I sleep.
Maybe. I don't know.
Who is most likely to have more sneakers?
Sneakers में भी I don't. I'm not a
ये अभी
sneaker
नहीं
guy.
लिया मैंने.
Dev Joshi.
I have lots.
Dev Joshi.
But that is you play sport?
No, not much.
Not much.
Sneaker head,
Maybe.
you don't
I'm a
have to be
sports
playing
person, so I have a
sports
lot of
for-
sneakers.
She is.
Who is most likely to sleep anywhere?
Yes,
I would sleep on set. What to do if I'm sleepy? Then I'm sleepy.
Who is most likely to do adventure sports?
I think.
Maybe her, because she's very sporty. Like actually, recently हम लोगों ने किए हैं.
हाँ.
He did the same thing in Turkey. I did the same thing in Nepal. We both did. I did bungee jumping, and we both did.
Yeah, I did paragliding, the giant
paragliding,
swing.
yeah.
So yeah, we are.
So we
adventurous.
ended up doing, but we're not very sporty people.
I am all the time. I'm finding all these things everywhere. I was in Orlando and I trained for parachute
So
this
my
thing, jumping and stuff like that. Quite a thing.
Who is most likely to eat a lot of junk?
Me.
Who is most likely to party till the morning?
No.
Nah.
None of
Party
us.
हो रहा था.
कोई नहीं करे.
Who is most likely to take more time to get ready?
Because of her costume and her entire get-up.
Most
Fair
of
enough.
Always.
her.
Heavy lifting of that.
Who is most likely to not take a shower for days?
Eve, no,
Yeah.
none of us.
I don't think anybody had
3 to 4
hygiene
times a day.
hygiene issues.
Who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
Me.
Ada.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, me.
Who is most likely to be a bigger foodie?
Foodie I am. I think all of us
Yes,
are
all of us
foodies.
are
Foodie तो
foodie.
हाँ.
हम कभी भी कहीं भी खा सकते हैं.
Gujarati food rocks.
Lastly, who is most likely to leave everything and go missing for a day?
Ada.
Not a day. I can go. I vanished once for 3 years. I went
Wow.
there. I said I like the place. 3 years gone. So, yeah.
Alright, that's it. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
you.